I should have had the camera on when I started out there in the yard. Hadn't been run since early last winter. Well, started better than that. Still gets a little bit. Alright. That's good enough. Took this loader off and change the manifold and put the tin back on there. And then I don't know what I'll do with it. Something. The old fork's in the back of the barn where it belongs. Then I thought I'd do something else. That case tractor, the loader I was driving around the other day, I brought up here and took the loader off. That's a nice good loader for somebody's got a 430, 530, 630, 400, 400B, whatever. It'll fit any of them. It's for sale if anybody needs it. I know I'm not going to mess with it because I got the skid loader and that D17. I'm not going to use a small tractor with no power steering when I don't need it. So yeah, look what I done to the old round nose 300 here. I sort of put the hood back on it. Somebody was sanding on that hood one time or another. Yeah, the hood come with it. But it's got a combine engine in it. It's 2 inches longer than it's supposed to be. So this part up here fits. Then right back here and here in the middle is 2 inches too short. And when I got it, it had the exhaust pipe muffler sticking up here, which I took the plate off there, put it there, and I got a down pipe here, which I got a make some pipe to go down around here and under like my other 300. So yeah, I got to get that done. Got to drill a different hole here to fasten that. Drill a couple holes here 2 inches off to fasten that on. The fold up hood here, it fits, supposed to overlap there and there, but it just fits inside. It's pretty close, except this one hinge is catching on the gas tank. Need to move it where tie the hood onto the bungee strap. But other than that, I'm having trouble with the starter solenoid was here. It's in the road. That don't fit quite right anymore. There's something I don't know about. Way down in there's a sediment bowl. The shut off. I don't know how you're supposed to get to it with the I don't know. Can you see my hand there? I don't know how you're supposed to turn the gas on and off with that hood on. Well, now I gotta change that. Oh yeah, it's got the original lights out here on the side where they belong. But I found one thing that was really aggravating the thing on this thing. Oh, the hydraulic oil was low, so I put some in. I think I put too much in. Well, anyhow, when they put the different engine in, they cut the steering shaft and stretched it a little. But then they got the U-joints out of time. And when you turn it, it goes jerk, jerk, jerk. So I got to cut this in two right here again. Weld it back together with each end of that shaft lined up the way they belong. But then that'll make it work better. Other than that, seems to be a pretty decent little tractor. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I got to make a drawbar for it, or buy one, but I'll make one. So yeah, that's what I did yesterday. And I didn't do much today, so. Alright, that's where we're at on this thing. Alright, Kitty come to help. Alright, that's enough for today. Well, there's the grill for that 300, what's left of it. Cost me more to replace that or repair it than what I ever got in that tractor at all. But I might find something. Well, I got my drawbar made. Used some good quality iron for that thing. This piece with a hole in it comes from an international field cultivator. This bigger piece was a John Deere plow frame. These smaller pieces, an Alice Chalmers hydraulic cylinder mounting bracket. And well, I'll have to take it out and see if it fits. But kind of warm today. You see anything different? Ain't that pretty? My wife likes it. It's kind of chilly this morning. Well, the drawbar I made fits. It's a little snug, but it'll wear in. Looks like I got an oil leak there from someplace. I guess we'll need to park the front end of the tractor heading downhill. Yeah, it's leaking everywhere. It must have a lot of it in it. Oh, the other day, found a place to mount that solenoid starter. She was up here. I put the tin on, it wouldn't fit. So I got down there. And somebody wire brushed half this hood. It was all rusty. I found some paint, covered it up. I even painted the seat. That white paint ain't quite the right color, but that international red would be worse color, so that's where we're at now. Now I need to take it out in the field and do something with it. Alright. I have to make an exhaust pipe. Go down, forward a little, round and back and under. Gotta do that yet, and then I'll gotta fix a hinge for the hood right there. And I don't know. Get the right color paint someday, but that'll be good enough for a while. Yeah, I got its nose back on. Kind of boogered and busted, but that'll work till we find something better. Alright, that's enough for now. Yeah, good morning. I got the exhaust pipe made and the muffler moved. Kind of done a little bit of sloppy job of welding. I didn't do too good, and there's a guy stopped in to visit, and he said he was a professional welder, and I was here, show me how. This second bead here, he done that on the back side. It's real nice. A little rough on the front side. He said something about my welding helmet. Couldn't hardly see through it. Come find out, I never took the protective plastic covers off the lenses when I put them in. And I'm probably going to see what I'm doing now next time I do some welding. But I got the old muffler. It's kind of squeezed in there. Kind of looks like, it's still awful hard to turn the gas on and off way back in here. And with the muffler right there, you probably shouldn't be climbing on and off a running tractor or whatever barefooted. Might have to change that. Well, I'll see where the thing still runs. Let's see what it sounded like further away. Alright. Reach in there and shut the gas off. It's cold out here this morning. I gotta go out and cut some firewood yet. Alright. I'll go get this put on the video. Well, here's something I did yesterday afternoon. Got the 430 out, put the old bush hog on, went out and mowed pastures. And, I don't know where I mowed grass or I was mowing trees. But everything worked good, never broke nothing. And, it worked out good. I gotta get the sprayer down off there and put it on and get some Roundup. So that way I don't have to mow so much. Hey, I wonder. Oh, we'll just see what. There we go. It might. Yeah, a little choke.